everybody, thought I'd give you a quick update on what's going on. I have multiple projects on the go. They're taking several days because I wait for glue to dry or other reasons. I'm gonna build videos for all these, of course. This sculpture I made from hardwood flooring, this fake wood flooring. I just cut it into triangles on the miter saw and then carved it with the angle grinder. This I made out of red cedar pieces that were left over from my workbench build. Originally I had planned to make 3 rings, but this ring I got a catch and it flew off the lathe and exploded in a spectacular fashion. I did glue it back together, but I won't be able to put it back on the lathe and turn it like this because there's no way I'll realistically be able to get it centered properly on the lathe again. I think I'm going to try to sculpt this somehow. I don't know. I'll figure it out. And this is, I'm trying to do another wood sculpture similar to the 2 half bowls that I made. So I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to try to make 2 bowls with a similar curved profile this time instead of a straight profile. Try to see if I can get them to match up. This is an experiment. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Yeah, this was sort of my plan B, these rings, because my original idea I needed 3 rings or more. Since I only had 2, I don't have any more of this wood. I used a couple of blocks that I made into squares on the miter saw. Although this kind of surprised me. Unfortunately, it was a knot that was inside the wood that I couldn't see. That's a feature. Anyway, that's what's going on in Camy's garage. It's just taking me several days to work on these. Although I don't know how I'm going to effectively sand this. I thought I was done with my toque and vest for the season, but it cooled off a little bit in the last few days. Not looking forward to summer when it's going to be 95 degrees in here or more. Keep your eye out for upcoming build videos in Camy's garage.